In this video, we're here to make your move smooth, quick, and totally stress-free. In 6 simple steps today, we're going to walk you through the exact steps to ensure your moving experience is smooth from start to finish, including how we help pack and prepare before your big move. Step 1, getting the quote. This is where it all begins. We ask you a few questions before we come to move you. We'll make sure that we have everything in check. You fill out the form on the website and or you give us a call. We'll schedule a date to come do a walkthrough and we'll figure out your whole move from top to bottom. So we'll ask you if you have any fragiles. We'll look around, we'll see how many boxes there are. We'll get sort of like an itemized list of photos, a catalog of what it is that we're gonna be moving for you, and building out a plan. Once you've approved the quote, we'll work together to schedule your moving date. It's as simple as picking a day and locking it in. Don't worry, our team is flexible and we're ready to work with your timeline. Keep in mind, booking early, especially during the busy moving seasons, is key to avoiding any last minute stresses. Now we got to talk about the step between 2 and 3. This differentiates us from other moving companies, and this is how we make sure that your move is smooth. So now, before your big day, this is the step for preparation. Whether you're deciding to do most of the preparation yourself or letting us handle the details, we've got you covered either way. Option 1, DIY packing yourself. If you decide to pack yourself, we'll provide you with plenty of educational resources to guide you, from how-to videos to downloadable checklists. We'll ensure that you have all the information you need to pack efficiently and protect your belongings. Now, the resources we'll send you, it'll help you learn tips like the best way of organizing and packing, how to safely pack fragile items, and even hacks for how to save time, space, and money. Option 2, you can let us handle it. Even if you're opting for packing services, we'll make the process even smoother. Not only will we handle heavy lifting, we'll also provide updates and helpful insights. So the day before or 2 days before the move, we'll prepare and pack everything and get that ready for the day of the move. We'll give you guidance on how to prepare for our team's arrival, special instructions on high value items, and how we'll ensure a smooth transition to your new space. All of our movers go through training to ensure that your items are moved with the utmost care. You can sit back and relax and let us do all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to worry about getting too involved in your move. Before the packing begins, it's a perfect timing to start decluttering, going through all your items, decide what you really need, what you want to donate, what you want to sell, or recycle anything you don't want to take with you. It'll make packing so much easier. Step 3, packing and loading. Step 3 is where the action begins. Packing and loading. Our team will arrive on time, ready to handle your heavy lifting. We're carefully pack, label, load all your items into the truck with the utmost care, making sure everything is secure on the journey. Now, Keep It Moving's team will make sure we pack, label, and secure all your items in the truck, preparing you for your move, making sure everything is secure for the journey. Whether you packed it yourself or our packing services, will make sure all your items are secure and safe. And our package will help you settle in and organize everything in its designated room. All you need to do is tell us where you want it to go. Lastly, leave us a review. Finally, we'll love to hear your feedback. Review helps us grow and let others know what to expect for their move when working with us. You could also leave a review on our Google, Yelp, or right on Facebook. And that's it. From your first call to unpacking the last box, Keep It Moving Services is here to make your move stress-free. If you're planning on moving or have a friend or someone that you know that is planning on moving, send them this video. Contact us today and we'll get you a seamless quote. Let's keep it moving.